Imagine apps that can't be shut down. Imagine apps that can't be censored. Imagine apps that can't be cheated. That's Ethereum. Hook done. Now the map. Ethereum started as a simple idea. Take blockchain beyond money and turn it into a global, tamper-proof computer. Instead of just transactions, Ethereum stores state and runs smart contracts, little programs that execute exactly as written. These contracts live on a shared virtual machine, the EVM, so anyone can run the same code and get the same results. Gas is the metering system. Every computation costs a tiny fee. This makes the network resist spam and stay fair. Accounts hold value and logic. Miners, and now validators, agree on the canonical history, securing the chain and confirming actions. On that foundation grew decentralized apps, finance without banks, marketplaces, without middlemen, organizations that run by code. Apply. What does this mean for you? It means apps that are more transparent, more resilient, and programmable money that can automate trust. Developers can build tokens, NFTs, DeFi protocols, DAOs, all interoperable and composable. Risks exist. Bugs or public design choices matter, but Ethereum gave us a new platform for digital coordination. Open, permissionless, endlessly experimental. It's not perfect, but it's the closest thing we have to a global neutral computer, and it's only getting started.